Hi, my name is Sanjay. I'm from London, UK, and I'm here in Rajkot with Learn with Faith to learn about photography. Now I have a Nikon camera, but I didn't have time really to go through the manual, go through the YouTube videos to learn the key functionalities. So I've spent 4 hours of intense tutoring here in Rajkot, and they've actually taught me an immense amount in 4 hours. I know the fact that I need either a shutter priority, aperture priority when I'm taking photos. You've taught me about how flash and syncing flash works. We've done a lot of practicing on taking photos using different shutter speeds and aperture, and then reviewed it in Photoshop, just so that you can understand and see where your best results are using which settings. So overall, I think I've been really impressed with the training. I think it's been worth it. It's definitely jump-started me on my holiday where I need to take some quality photos. And best of all, I think they do offer ongoing support. So they've told me, if there's any queries I have, bits I don't understand, I just have to email them, ring them, and they'll give me online support. So overall, I definitely recommend Learn with Faith for the photography course, and certainly I'm looking forward to taking some really smart pictures now.